Seventh graders worked together to create a wordle project.
How can you use elements of STEAM to display words, numbers using integers, addition, and absolute value? Well, you can create a wordle.
The purpose of a wordle is to experience different or unique ways of solving math problems. A wordle is like an abstract painting.
The purpose of a wordle is to show that ELA and math can work together.
A wordle looks like a bunch of words and numbers arranged either vertically, horizontally, diagonally, or backwards.
The goal is to find a way to display words and numbers using addition and absolute value.
Also, wordles look like words and numbers shown in different sizes and colors.
We are doing this project to show that we know how to add and subtract integers.
How do you make a wordle?
There are multiple steps to creating a wordle document.
First of all, 5 vocabulary words from Unit 1 of 7th grade math have to be chosen. Then find the value of 5 of the vocabulary words from the unit.
To make our word clouds, we used the number chart Miss Emery gave us. Every number is given a value. A equals -20, B equals -19, and so on.
To find the value of the words, you have to add each letter together. You will add negative and positive integers, which totals to the sum of a word.
Then, you must find the letters in your first name on chart A. Add up the numbers next to each letter in your name.
Follow these steps for your middle name, if you have one, and last name.
Then, grade 7 each made individual documents on Google Drive and typed in the 8 words the number of times their sum was. Warning, if the sum of a number is negative, type it the number of times its absolute value backwards.
If the value of the word was positive, the word would be spelled normally.
Along with the words, you will type the absolute value of the words the number of times the absolute value. For example, the absolute value of -13 is 13. You would type this 13 times.
For example, say the word integer equaled -7. In the document, we would write out integer backwards 7 times, then write 7 times as well.
Then, using a computer, find a word cloud website.
Once that is done, copy and paste all the data onto the Wordle website. Once it is all pasted, hit generate and it will make a Wordle of all the data.
To customize your Wordle, you could change the background color, font, and text color. And there you have it, a Wordle. The Wordle was created from a series of words and numbers and ended as a fully customized masterpiece of math and literature.
These put our skills to the test in the form of math and language. Everything we typed had a designed purpose, although they seemed random to a person that didn't do them.
Now you may be wondering what this Wordle represents.
Wordles can result in many things.
Many things can happen in a Wordle.
In the Wordle, some words were spelled backwards, some words were spelled forwards, and numbers were bigger than others.
The words had many different sizes, and some were straight and some were diagonal.
In order to get the finished piece like mine, we had to do plenty of math. In the Wordle, some of the words are backwards because their values are negative. Since you can't write a word a negative amount of times, you take the absolute value of the negative number and write the word backwards.
Some words in your Wordle will vary in size.
You will see that some words are bigger than the others depending on how many times you type in the same word. The more you type in the same word, the larger it will show up. For example, Ryan equals -6 and Gardula equals 14. So, Gardula will be larger in size than Ryan.
That implies that if a number, letter, or word is small, you know the value of the word, number, or letter has a smaller value.
This was a fun learning experience.
The Wordle project is a fun way to incorporate STEAM into our math class.
We did it so we could learn absolute values in a fun way.
We did this so we could learn about absolute value, but we also wanted to add a reading, math, science, and technology component to the project.
From this project, we have learned how to better add positive and negative integers, use a Wordle, and that you can use words to represent mathematical data.
We learned that working on the computer can be difficult, but it is worth it because your product will turn out very well.
This was a fun and exciting project that consisted of math, writing, and creativity.
Conclusion: a Wordle is a great way to display words and numbers, and making one was lots of fun.
Thank you for watching this video.